Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home and doing work, and moreover you are doing practice for the numericals also, and you can ask your doubt during the online classes also. So before starting the next topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. You know that we are doing chapter 11 work and energy. Earlier we have done energy topic, and in that special energy topic, energy is a vast term. We can categorize this energy in different forms. Means whenever we specify the origin for any type, then we give a specific name to that energy. Clear? So today, earlier we have done kinetic energy, so today we are doing the next topic related to that energy only. Before starting that topic, I will start with some examples you used to see daily in your life. In your daily life, you see beta that whenever at the ground, clear, any ball is there, clear, any ball is there at the ground level, it is in your hand. So when you will raise it or put it on the tabletop, like any tabletop is there, so itself it will not go. What you will do? You will lift the ball and you will put the ball on this table top. Now when you are lifting this ball and putting it on the table, so what you are doing? You are transferring your energy to the ball, and your energy when you are transferring, so its position is changes. So there is a change in the position of the body. So whenever this energy is transferred in this ball, so this ball will gain some energy and some work is done on this. And whenever we are doing some work on this, because what we are doing, we are taking the ball and just putting it on the tabletop. So we are applying force on this and its height get changed. So what we are doing? Displacement also. So what does it mean? We have done some work, or this work done on the ball is stored in the ball as its, what's the name we will give to this stored energy? That is potential energy. That is potential energy, means the stored energy in a body. Later on, this stored energy can be converted into another form, that is kinetic energy. Means if this ball is not able to be stable on this tabletop, so by itself it will come down. So it will come in motion at that time. So it will possess kinetic energy also. So we can transfer in different form. So that topic will come later on. But today let us discuss about the potential energy. So this energy is stored. How it gets stored in the body? By doing work on the object. Means if you will not do any work on the object, so there is no energy stored in this. Clear? So by doing work on this, so energy stored on this, and this stored energy is known as potential energy. So when there is due to the height this or due to the position energy is stored, that is known as gravitational potential energy. What we call it? Gravitational potential energy. Basically potential energy, general term, but it is also of two types, that is gravitational potential energy, and next one is elastic potential energy. Next one is elastic potential energy. These are the two types of potential energy. Means whenever there is, what is the meaning of elastic? Like a rubber band is there. If you are having a rubber band and you stretch it, one end you fix and stretch the other end. So you will stretch this rubber band like this. So what would happen? So when you will do work on this rubber band, it gets stretched. So there is a change in its length. So we will say that by applying force on it, its length gets changed. So displacement is there. So this work done on this rubber band is stored as a potential energy in the rubber band. When will you leave the force? Again it will regain its own shape due to its elasticity. So we have changed the shape here. Now the next other example also you have seen, the spring example. The spring example. When you will stretch the spring, so what would happen? Its length get increased. When you will stretch it, length get increased. So itself it will not change. When you will pull it, So then there is a change in its length. So that is displacement. Again work is done on the spring. Who have done? We have done this work. So whenever work is done on any object, then energy is stored in it, and that stored energy is known as potential energy, and this time shape get changed, so it is known as elastic potential energy. The most common example of elastic potential energy you have seen at your home when the kids are playing the toys. So they used to rotate the key in the toy. आपने देखा है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे खिलौना लेते हैं और चाबी घुमाते हैं. So they wind that. So unwinding or that winding. When they turn the key outside, so what happened? The toy stored energy inside it. Or when will you leave that key? It unwind itself. So what happened? So due to that, it have the elastic potential energy. Or when it start unwinding, the toy start working or moving. So it means it potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. So there are many examples in our daily life related to this potential energy, gravitational and elastic. Water stored in a dam, when we have seen like dam is there. So when dam is there, so we store the water. So it is above the height. So which energy is there in this stored water? The potential energy is there. It is due to its height. So we can say that it is gravitational potential energy in the water stored in the dam. And when will you allow it to fall on the turbine? Then this potential energy changes into kinetic energy, and further turbine converts it into electrical energy. So there are many situations you can relate. So what is a potential energy? This is the energy. What is potential energy? This is the energy possessed by a body. This is the energy possessed by a body due to change in its shape, size or configuration, or we can say that its height. Okay, so this is the definition of the potential energy. What is potential energy? This is the energy possessed by a body due to the change in its shape, size or configuration or height. It is of two types, gravitational and elastic. When the definition comes, what is elastic potential energy? Simply you will write, this is the energy possessed by a body or stored in a body due to change in its shape and size only. Or gravitational, what will you write? This is the energy possessed by a body due to the change in its position or height. That is the difference between these two potential energy. So other examples you can think and you can write. So for today, revise this potential energy topic from your NCERT book. Next time we will find out its mathematical expression and we will see how does it depend on that factors. Thank you and have a nice day.